Hey, welcome to my channel. Today I'll bring you to the Gundam Base in Hong Kong. The Gundam Base is on the 8th floor of the Twins Tower 2, just a short walk from Kai Tas Station. Take the airside exit from the subway and it's about a 5-minute walk. Kai Tas was once Hong Kong's farmers' airport, built on a long strip of land stretching into the harbor, but we're skipping the history lesson today. My friend told me this Gundam Base is kind of hard to find. And honestly, it was more confusing than I expected, and my GPS had me walking in circles for a bit before I finally made it. This place looks super empty because the mall just opened. I hope I'm right, a lot of the units are still vacant. It also looks like there was a Blackpink pop-up store here recently. Just need to find an elevator. Not super early right now, it's like 11 o'clock in the morning. Wow, I didn't expect the Gundam Base to be this empty, especially on a Sunday morning. I was ready for a lineup or at least a crowd, since it's the first one in Hong Kong. Or maybe Sundays just start a little later here. If you know, tell me. The first thing that hits you is the massive world-exclusive 1:2 scale God Gundam half-bust. And there's another Gundam standing right next to the entrance. The huge posters around the stores also make you feel like you're actually inside a Gundam exhibition. As soon as you walk in, you see this incredibly detailed Hong Kong themed diorama. It really gives the whole place a unique, local vibe. Like other Gundam bases, they've got a bunch of limited items, but honestly, I'm not really into special coating or clear color versions. A couple of my friends asked me to look for a few kits for them, but pretty much everything they asked for was already sold out. Hey, they've got some kits in Gundam Base colors. I think they're perfect for collecting. These are some of the online pre-order items. This Gundam Base actually carries a lot of China-exclusive blind boxes and smaller figures. They even have some of those BN heads right behind the counter. I've also ordered a Peachy Unleashed new Gundam, so it should be waiting for me when I get back to Canada. I'm only in Hong Kong for a quick one-day stop, but it's totally worth it to see this God Gundam in person. It's seriously so impressive and mind-blowing. They also have the build room here and offer schedule lessons. I didn't notice any paint booths, so it seems more focused on assembly rather than painting. Still, it's a great space to chill and enjoy building. Right outside the store, there's a whole row of capsule toy machines, a full lineup of Gundam gashapons. Alright, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the next build or hobby trip. See you guys in the next one.